it was Rohan's vacation. So Rohan, along with his friends, gathered in the garden to have a picnic. Now, three of Rohan's friends brought roses with them. So, one friend got two red roses, the other friend got three yellow roses, and the third friend got a pink rose. Now, Rohan wanted to find out how many roses are there. Well, you have learned how to add two numbers together or how to add two objects together. Over here, we have three different things to be added: two red roses, three yellow roses, and one pink rose. How do we add three things? Let us see. So, we can first bring two things together. So, let's bring two red roses and three yellow roses together. So, how many roses do we have now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, these two together give us 5 roses. And now I need to add this pink rose to these 5 roses. How can I do that? Again, I can put together or combine these 5 roses along with this pink rose. So now let me bring this pink rose here. So now how many roses do I have? Let's count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have 6 roses. So 2 roses plus 3 plus 1 gives me 6 roses in total. That is, there are 6 roses altogether. So this is how you can add 3 things. First, you can take these two, add them, and then you can add the last one. Now, is there a different way in which we can perform this addition? Last time, we took these two things, added them, and then we added this single rows. Now, I can also take these two, that is, add these two objects first and then add this. Let us see how. So first, let me put together these 3 yellow roses along with this one pink rose. Let's count how many are here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 roses. So combining or putting together these two objects, we get 4 roses. This is the answer of this addition. Now I need to add 2 roses to these 4 roses. So let me bring these 2 roses over here and let's count once again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 roses in total, which is what we had in the previous case. So this time, even when we add it in a different way, we get the same answer, which is 6. So whenever you need to add 3 things, you first need to add 2 things together and then add the third thing to the answer. And it does not matter which 2 things you are adding first. You can add them in any manner. You'll get the same answer. So can you add them? Well, in order to add these 3 numbers, let us first add the first 2 numbers, that is 2 plus 3. So let us add 2 and 3. What is 2 plus 3? 2 plus 3 is 5. So we have a 5 here. And the third number to be added is 1. So I write 5 plus 1. Now what is 5 plus 1? 5 plus 1 is 6. So the answer to this is 6. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 6. Now even if we do this in a different way, will we get the same answer? Let's check. This time, let's add 3 and 1 first. So what is 1 added to 3? 1 added to 3 is 4. But I need to add the third number, which is 2. So let me add 2 to it. So I have 2 plus 4. Now 2 plus 4 is 2 plus 4 is 6. So we get 6 once again. Now 6 was what we got when we added 2 and 3 first and then added 1. In this case, we add the last two numbers, that is 3 plus 1, and then add 2 to it. And we get the same answer, that is 6. So 6 is the answer or the sum when we added these three numbers. Now some of Rohan's friends got candies for him. So let us see how many candies are here. One friend got 4 red candies, the other friend got 5 orange candies, and the third friend got 3 green candies. So how many candies does Rohan have now? Let's bring together or add all the candies. Let's put together all the candies, that is, let's add all the candies. So first, let me add the red candies and the orange candies. So I'll bring together the red candies and the orange candies, and let's count how many candies are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candies. So by putting together red and orange candies, we get 9 candies. Now I need to add these green candies as well. So let me bring these green candies here. Now how many candies do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 candies. So 4 red candies plus 5 orange candies plus 3 green candies gives me 12 candies. So Rohan has 12 candies in total. So this is how we can add 3 different types of candies together. Now in this case as well, even if we perform this addition in a different way, we will get the same answer. Let us check. So this time, I will first add the red and the green candies together. So let me first bring the red and the green candies together. How many candies are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 7 candies. Now to these red and green candies, that is to the 7 candies, I need to add these 5 orange candies. So let me bring these 5 orange candies together. So let us count how many candies are there in total now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 candies in total, which is what we had got in the earlier case. when we added these two first and then the green candies? This time we have added red and green candies first and then the orange candies. But we get the same answer. So it does not matter which two numbers you add first, you will always get the same answer. So now can you try out this one on your own? 8 plus 5 plus 3. Okay, this time let us add 5 plus 3 first. So what is 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 is 8. So 5 and 3 added together give us 8. And I need to add this 8. 8 plus 8. What is 8 plus 8? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So the answer is 16. The sum of these three numbers, the sum of 8, 5 and 3 is 16. Now even if we do this in a different way, we will get the same answer. Let us see. So first let us add 8 and 3. Now 8 and 3 added together give us what? 8 and 3 added together give us 11 and we are left with plus 5. So 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5 is 16. So once again, the answer is 16, or the sum of 8, 5 and 3 is 16. So this is how you can add three numbers. We have solved for small numbers here. You can add any number, even bigger numbers, using this method. So whenever you have three numbers which are to be added, take any two numbers, add them, and then add the third number to their sum to get the final answer. So this is how you can add three numbers. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per CBSE, ICSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures on maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve the slightest of your doubts. And that's not all. You can also win exciting prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it is rewarding too. So register for free now.